Mr. Manny Tupaz from Philippine Star.
Sec, good morning.
Morning.
Sir, magmula nung nag-assume si PNP Chief last June 2, from the very start ba may mga disagreements na kayo ever since?
No,
on
never.
funds?
PNP chief and I have always had a great relationship. Remember, I only entered the SILG last October, and that's the first time I met him. And from then till now, our relationship has, I would care to say that it is stellar. We've never had disagreements, and save for the last few days about certain things. And until now, I still consider him not only as a colleague, but someone who I've gone to battle with and who I trusted big decisions of the president with.
Second lang.
Okay.
Apart dun sa Napol Congreso, may nabanggit kayo among other things. Ano pa yung mga other issues kay Chief PNP na nagkaroon ng consideration bakit siya kailangan?
That is between the national security apparatus and him, and that is an executive privilege we cannot divulge.